Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, and welcome back to my stream. This is day 10 of our challenge. We are doing a $20 challenge along with the prop firm, and now I will share my screen and my video. So, how are you guys? How are you doing? I remember yesterday night I gave a 5 trade. I will be having the Yeah, this was the setup I shared before closing the stream. This was one setup in Bitcoin, and I gave another setup on Ethereum also. It worked out perfectly. We got a minimum of 1 is to 3, actually 1 is to 3.5. So anybody who had taken this setup would please comment and appreciate my analysis. Again, we have a setup forming in Bitcoin as well. I could see a good movement towards upward. So a bullish push towards upward in Bitcoin, and let's check Ethereum as well. I think my voice will be fully audible to you guys. So that I'm not talking to the thin air and I'm not wasting my effort. This is We saw push in both the pairs in Bitcoin as well as in Ethereum, but it's just that if we take a sell, if we take a buy, our sell will be huge. So should we risk that much on at this point. This is watch list. I'll add Ethereum to it. One entry could be done here after the breakout of this zone. And I'll remove this. Or should I keep? Because I need to record this trade which I shared in the live stream. So that this was my idea. And on Ethereum, the same flow above this one, and we saw blows again out of this resistance. So we traded these four. I will hide them so that it doesn't bother us, but we'll use them to record our video. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll remove this. Not required anymore. Not required anymore. Okay. We have been taking good setups. It's just that we have to take high A plus setups, which actually I didn't take yesterday. I got a little eager to take a trade, so that costed us 3 loss. If we would have been a little more patient, we could have made more profits. The chart looks different in TradingView and this, if at all we plan a trade. First entry of our would be here, the break of this support, resistance, sorry, and the second entry will be here, but for being in the safer side, we'll keep the SL here, and we can trail the SL later, because as we experienced yesterday, keeping a small SL, we can get manipulated and taken out. So it is better to have a bigger SL and we can trail it later to avoid manipulations. Ethereum, in Ethereum too we have an entry. Think the SL will be huge. Let's first mark the entry. Without taking entry here, SL would be, and what we put a target for 1 is to 2. So okay, what we will do it now, as we got our buyers, we'll look for buys. Let's wait for some breakout in the lower time frame. That would be a nice confluence, because if we switch to 5-minute time frame on Bitcoin, it looks a little choppy. So we can actually, I'm convinced by this buy setup in both, but it's just that my risk management is not allowing me to take it, and I'm a bit confused. Should I enter based on the lower time frame and keep myself here? That would be risky. Or is it better to stay out of the way? Hopefully we'll get our answers soon. Bitcoin is moving good. If by any chance we could get the entry here in Ethereum. My hands are a little better now. Taking proper medicine and applying ointments. So, but there's still swelling, which will, I think, take time. Okay, this will we're just checking that can we take a scalp on that, and those things attract the viewer more. Just a second. Again, I could see some lag in my stream. How can that be fixed? So far, so good. So, can we get an entry in Bitcoin or Ethereum? We are live trading Bitcoin and Ethereum now because it's Sunday, the weekend, just one day away from trading the gold, the OG gold. As a trader, I didn't like this spike, even though it gave us our TP, but I feel very uncomfortable when there is a sudden spike in Bitcoin and in these cryptos because some days it could work in our favor, but sometimes it doesn't work in our favor, and if we had planned a sell or to lose $50, in this scenario we lose way more than that. 50 could become 100 because if even we have set a sell, the spread and the what do we say, the latency will make the losses even higher, way more than. So these spikes or these sudden volume surge always cost us 9 out of 10 times. So but these spikes are very rare in gold and euro USD only during the news, but we are well aware of the news, so we get secured there. But Bitcoin and euro USD gives spikes at any time. Nobody can predict it. So that's one bad thing about these crypto coins. Going down, both are going down now. Okay, so listen to my plan. This is our secret plan for today. Even if Bitcoin and Euro Ethereum goes down, we'll stick to a bias of buy unless we see a horrendous move down. We'll stick to the buy, not like yesterday changing bias in every 15 minutes. We'll stick to the buy and we'll try to enter on a good retracement zone. Let me mark the retracement zones here. So that would be a nice idea for trading today. Way better than yesterday, hovering at hovering and changing our bias from bullish to bearish. Lost in both the direction. It is always better to lose in one direction. It is a learning from yesterday's. So let's mark the. I'll remove these background colors and made it. And what are the important zones? 236 is not. important. 1.6, we don't need these two. 382 is also not that important. Okay, we'll keep these. Save as wood best. Okay. So we can now apply the same to the Bitcoin as well. But it's just that Bitcoin is already up near its high, swing high. Okay, we have marked our. I'm not well camera trained, but I'm working really hard towards learning this game of YouTube. I think I'm learning and growing by 20 to 30% each day. You can see the improvement in my content since day 1 to day 9 today. So you can experience it too. I'm working really hard towards my trading, also towards my YouTube. Both are very important to me, and this I wanted it to be a very well documented YouTube series that even that nobody would have done it before ever, and very good setups, no fake trades, just complete honesty with you guys. I'll just keep working hard towards our goal. I don't know what mistake I'm making because we are not getting that much reach as we should have got. But the only thing in our hand is working hard. The results are in the hand of God. So we'll leave it to the God and we'll keep working hard. Also, I need suggestion from you guys that should I do the stream in English language or should I do in Hindi language? Which one would the majority and the major portion of people would prefer? I would love to know. And what language would you like to watch my daily update video and my YouTube shorts? Do give your review and feedback to me. I will 100% work on that. So I'm really interested in any of the views, either it's negative, positive, or even they want to guide me. I'm open to any guidance. So, and this is the appeal platform for me to the brokers, XNS, XM, Vintage, Tickmill, that if you want to partner with me, you can contact me. Here I will attach my Instagram too in the description and my profile page and all the problems you can contact me. Again, our stream got interrupted. We are not